Hey friends, it's Shereé, and today I'm going to be announcing my giveaway winners. I'm so excited because today I have my sons joining me for this giveaway announcement. This is
Cameron, and I'm 8 years old, and I love to do video games and art.
wonderful, and this is
Adrian, I'm 5 years old, and I love to do art.
all right. So like their mother, they're very creative. They like to draw, paint, and create. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna remind you all what the instructions were for the giveaway, and then my sons will draw the names from our little bucket that we have here to announce who won. Okay, so in order to enter this giveaway, you had to, on my giveaway video, leave a comment in the comment section below explaining why you like to sew, or what got you into sewing, or why you wanted to learn how to sew. Then you had to go to Instagram, and on Instagram you had to either enter a thread emoji and also a needle emoji and tag a friend, or if you don't have those emojis, you had to at least tag a sewing friend. Now, there were some people that do not have sewing friends on Instagram, so I am their first sewing friend, and that was okay with me. I'm happy to have more sewing friends on Instagram, so that was fine if you tagged me. Also, there are some people on YouTube who don't have an Instagram account and only signed up for Instagram just to enter this giveaway, and for that I just want to say thank you. And I also want to remind you that you'll need to go back to Instagram. I know if you're not used to using it, you might not even think about Instagram, but you'll have to go back on there if you are a winner, so that you can see the message that I've sent you, and in that message it will be asking you for your full name, because some people don't use their real names on their accounts. It will ask for your address and your phone number. All of that information will be sent to Cassandra at ThreadCrate so that she can send you the February ThreadCrate box. Okay, so just a reminder, the February ThreadCrate box, thank you son, will be the biggest ThreadCrate box so far. Guys, it's going to have a bomber jacket pattern and all the things that you need to make a wonderful bomber jacket. I'm really excited to be partnering with ThreadCrate on this giveaway, and it's going to be a really great prize to win. Now, don't fret if your name isn't called. I have another opportunity for you to win something special. So if I don't call your name, here's what you can do. If you're interested in ThreadCrate and you've been on the fence about subscribing, don't be on the fence anymore. The very first person to subscribe to ThreadCrate after watching this video and enters a special code, let me get it for you so I make sure I give you the right code. Let's see, the code is So Saturday. If you enter So Saturday in the code section on the ThreadCrate website, it will give you $10 off your first subscription. Now this is going to go to the very first person who subscribes to ThreadCrate after watching this video. I will not know who that person is, but it would be nice if you came back to this video and let me know if you won that $10 off. All right, and so that is a transaction that will take place between you and ThreadCrate. You cannot use my subscriber discount code of 10% for that particular subscription. You'll definitely have to use So Saturday, okay? All right, guys, so all the information for ThreadCrate and how to sign up is listed below. Please do check them out. Let's get into this giveaway. For all of the people that followed the instructions for the giveaway, I printed out their names and contact information and put it on a slip of paper in this container. We are shaking this up. I'll pass it to my son Cameron. He will pull a name out and pass it to me, and I'll read who that winner is. And then the next winner will be chosen by my son Adrian. All right, let's do this. Okay. All right, so the very first person who won is Miss Gloria Walker, who is a longtime sewing friend for me. She has been so great this year, so I'm really excited to announce that Gloria Walker is the first winner. All right, let's pass this on to Adrian. Twist it. The second winner is Heather McCormick. All right, I'm so excited. I have my first 2 winners of my very first giveaway, and this was a giveaway to celebrate my 1-year sewing anniversary, and I couldn't be more thrilled about who was selected. Thank you, sons, for working together to select our winners today. Now, I will be contacting you on Instagram, and in the message on Instagram, you'll need to give me your full name, address, and also your phone number. That information will go straight to ThreadCrate, and then ThreadCrate will coordinate sending you out the February box for free. All right, thank you so much, guys, for tuning into this video. I truly appreciate you. One more thing, these sweatshirts, I don't know if you remember them. I made them for my boys, and I'm so proud that they chose to wear them for this video. Anyway, if you haven't already, please do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Saturday. Bye.